Hello, welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Today I'm gonna to show you one of my favorite recipes. It is authentic Russian pickled cucumber soup, Rassolnik. It's a really comforting, nutritious and delicious first course. First of all, let's prepare all ingredients. We will need meat broth, onion, carrot, potato, pickled cucumber, pearl barley, pickle, oil, butter, salt and pepper. Well, I'm gonna to start from cooking a pork broth. We've already done it in the borscht recipe, so you can just follow the link in the description and find detailed instructions there. So we put nice medium-sized onion and carrots, and now I'm gonna just to cut them into nice chunks. Once I've done it, I'm gonna to make a veggie base for the soup and simultaneously boil pearl barley. I've poured 75 grams of pearl barley with cold water, and now I'm bringing it to the boil. At the same time, I'm mixing 20 grams of oil and 20 grams of butter in the skillet and adding chopped onion and carrots there. Now, look, the water is boiling and I'm gonna to skim the scum off, reduce the heat and continue cooking the pearl barley for 30 minutes until tenderness. In the meantime, I'm sauteing veggies. Well, while that's cooking, I'm gonna to chop pickled cucumbers. Once onion and carrots have become tender, I'm setting them aside and placing pot with chopped pickled cucumbers on the heat and adding 100 ml of the broth there. I'm gonna to stew them for about 15 minutes or so. Right, so the pork has been boiling away happily for about an hour and a half, and I'm gonna to take it out. While that's cooling down a little, I'm gonna to chop potato. Right after that, I'm cutting the meat into nice medium-sized chunks. Well, now I'm just placing chopped potato and meat in the pot, pouring with 2 liters of the broth and bringing it to the boil. So once this comes to the boil, I'm going to turn down the heat and leave it to simmer for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. 15 minutes have just passed and I'm going to add boiled pearl barley and sauteed veggies right in my soup. So I was cooking it for another 5 minutes and now it's time for the last part and parcel of this amazing soup. I'm adding stewed pickled cucumbers and 75 ml of the cucumber pickle. This trick will bring some piquancy and distinctive taste and flavor to my soup. Right, so the soup is almost cooked, but it needs a little pinch of salt and pepper to bring it all up. So well, Rassolnik is absolutely ready, and I'm gonna to get a nice bowl and get all of that goodness. Try to cook this gorgeous and fantastically flavored soup. Share your impressions in comments, watch my other food videos and subscribe to my channel. Приятного аппетита!